Do you want to draw the family? Can you draw our family?
It's Mommy, and it's Daddy.
Here, can you draw us? Oh, that's good. Is that Daddy?
Oh, and Mommy.
Are you gonna draw Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, Daddy needs a face. Can you draw a body on Mommy?
See, on the body.
That's the body. What about legs? Nice. What about Colin and Peyton? Was that still Mommy? That's good.
This is two toes.
What's that? Interesting.
10 toes.
10 toes. Wow. Okay.
This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 toes? What about Colin and Peyton?
Does it have 10 toes?
Yeah, they have 10. You have 10 toes. Okay. Why don't you draw it yourself? What about your mouth? Oh yeah, good. Nice. What about, is that Colin or Peyton?
Peyton.
Peyton, what about Colin? Can you draw Colin?
It's 1, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Those big toes. What about Colin? You want to draw Colin?
He have toes?
Yeah, he has toes.
It'd be big Colin.
Yeah, that would be a big Colin. That's fine.
His head.
Yeah, his head.
That's his head.
There's his head. Does he have a mouth?
No, he doesn't have a mouth.
Yeah, that's good.
It has other legs.
His legs.
And then his toes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10.
Nice. That's the whole family?
Yeah, I did draw a whale.
You drew a whale?
I just.
Where's the whale?
I just draw a whale.
Oh, that's a nice whale. What is this? Is this a whale?
A whale.
Nice. I like your whale.
No, it's a sea lion.
It's a sea lion? It's pretty good. Good job, Peyton.
A sea lion.